Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about mites and predatory mites. First, let's meet some mites. Mites belong to the invertebrate, arthropoda, arachnid, and acaropid subclasses, of which there are about 50,000 known species. Most mites are soft, very small, just visible to the naked eye, generally 0.1 to a few millimeters. The mite body is divided into two parts, the mandible body and the body. The mandible body is the mouth part of the mite, which is in the front of the body. There is a pair of chelicerates, and the characteristics vary according to the feeding habits, either chelicer-like or needle-like. The body is fused into a cystiform with few remaining segments, unlike insects. The dorsal side of the body has a stiffer shield, and the ventral side has raw feet. Generally, adult and juvenile mites have 4 pairs of feet, and juvenile mites have 3 pairs of feet, but gall mites have only 2 pairs of feet. The mite also has a pair of tentacles, many sensory hairs on the body and feet, which are important sensory organs, without wings and antennae. The average lifespan of mites is about 30 to 60 days, and the lifespan of female mites can reach more than 4 months. The life history of mites is divided into 4 stages: egg juvenile mite, nymph mite, and adult mite. Most mite camps are free-living, omnivorous or predatory, feeding on other mites, small insects, their eggs, and decaying organic matter, such as soil nail mites, predator mites, and so on. A small number of mites live on plants or animals to suck up juice or blood, or live in animals. Harmful plant mites are leaf mites, gall mites, tarsus mites, etc., can cause leaf greening, deformity, etc., is an important agricultural damage mites. The mites that harm animals include gamicid mites, chigger mites, scabies mites, demodex mites, dust mites, and so on. It can sting people to suck blood, harm the skin, cause rosacea, demodex, allergy, urinary acariasis, lung acariasis, intestinal acariasis, and scabies, seriously endanger human health. Through the above learning, now we have a certain understanding of mites. Next, let's take a look at the most widely used natural enemies of mites in biological control of agricultural production: predator mites. Predatory mites are a kind of beneficial mites that prey on small pests such as phylloids, gall mites, thrips, and whiteflies. It belongs to Acariae. It includes Phytocytidae, Penicillariidae, Cystidae, carnivorous mites, Choriodontidae, Elielidae, Macroericidae, Ericidae, Hemicaridae, Macropalpidae, Macrochelidae, and so on. It has the biological characteristics of large predation, short development period, wide range of food, and strong adaptability, and has become a kind of natural enemies with great development potential. The research and application of predatory mites worldwide began in the 1950s. At that time, due to the extensive use of DDT in orchards, resistant mites were rampant. French scholar Etienne Henriot and others have found that phytocytid in chili has outstanding ability to control leaf mites, thus solving the problem of prevention and control of resistant leaf mites. Since then, scholars around the world have great interest in the study of predatory mites. Since 1970s, the research and application of predatory mites in China have made rapid progress. At present, the local phytocytid species studied and applied in our country include Amblyceus nii, Amblyceus dermani, Amblyceus orientalis, Amblyceus mimicolor, Amblyceus longicolor, Amblyceus babsoni, etc. Phytocyosis introduced abroad includes Phytocyosis chilensis, Amblyciosis occidentalis, Pseudamblyciosis, Amblyciosis gurami, Amblyciosis steinii, and so on. Among them, Amblyceus babsoni and Amblyceus ammoniacus have mature artificial feeding technology, which can be propagated on a large scale, and have been applied in the biological control process of agricultural pests, and have achieved excellent control effects. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.